What's up, y'all? So, don't mind the crazy hair. I just woke up and shit. So today I'm gonna stop by VICREZ. I'm gonna pick up the Widebody wheels, some camo wrap for the car, and a couple other things, you feel me? So stay tuned. We're gonna take that trip today, you feel me? All right, and you know before I head out, I gotta get some Call of Duty in, so let me just do a match and then we headed out, all right?
Relocate. That's a 4-win streak. Show me 5.
So some dude, when I was in Home Depot, he came from this side. And pretty much, he tried to cut me off, like coming out of the parking store. Sideswiped the car, fucking crunched the lip. You see it's missing. And just over time, it started shattering. Look at this. Fucking missing the whole fucking bottom layer. Yeah, this shit like fall off. This one not even hanging on. Kind of scuffed it up a little bit. I mean, shit, my car was brand new before he touched it, so insurance definitely gonna cover that. But fuck it. Here's a cold start for y'all.
A few moments later.
Hold on, I haven't even pulled out my lot. And look what I see. I'll go outside right now, but damn. That's crazy though. That's how we started in the day. So yeah, we gotta be careful. But I'm gonna hit this road and then I guess I'll see y'all once we get to VICREZ.
From the back, man, she say I fuck the best. I just nothing in the club with my Smith & West. Lights hitting on my diamonds, got these bitches dancing. You can't vibe over here, this the third section. My back got the whole city, keep the building close, I protect my energy. My advice to you, don't become my enemy. Groupies grab me on my show, so I know that they feel it. I just left them in her throat, girl, you know ain't no kissing me. Yeah, in the trenches, rockin' shot. I was quick to slam her like DeAndre. It ain't my fault you got your shit.
Just pulled up to the, you see the logo over there, to the facilities. Let's see what they talking about. I hope they got these wheels already ready to go too. Got the vinyl. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is the color we're going with. It's called 3D Ghost. It's like a camel, but 3 colors. Alright, as you can see, niggas got the wheels, got the vinyl, got a gang of shit in here. I don't even fit. The homie over there squashed. But we good. camo vinyl. And then the wide body wheels.
Did you recall on me? I'm freezing. No way I'm anemic.
Put up, photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick like Judo, snatch a Lamborghini. I got a different bitch for different places, different seasons. Bitch, they play the position, cut her off, this shit too easy. I thought about smash R&B stars right at the man. I have a hoes on the west coast, state, man, I abandoned her. I have a pippin' in my blood, and I can change the climate. I threw the money on it to the price up like I designed it. Hit for the presidential, I'm a bitch, let you get a nigga Minaj. Can't let IG bitch ain't shit for they in the car. Work around to the side piece, pop out that night and double lock. Start talking Chinese, but all these sticks in the car.
Bitch, I'm wanna and young weaving, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back, so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat, where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. Did you recall on me? I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Oh yeah, these shits are hard as shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Just wait on it. I'm gonna open this one right now. Kind of look like cheetah print, but what you think? Yeah, this shit fire.